Flutter and Dart are two related technologies, with Dart being the programming language used to write Flutter apps. Here is a comparison of Flutter and Dart. Flutter. Flutter is a mobile app development framework that allows developers to build high-performance, natively compiled apps for iOS, Android, and other platforms using a single codebase. Flutter provides a rich set of pre-built UI widgets and tools that enable developers to create beautiful and responsive user interfaces quickly and easily. Flutter uses a reactive programming model, which allows developers to build complex UIs and animations using a declarative programming style. Flutter includes a hot reload feature, which enables developers to see changes to their code in real time, without having to restart the app. Flutter has a growing community of developers and a large number of third-party packages available for developers to use, making it a popular choice for mobile app development. Dart. Dart is a general-purpose programming language that can be used for web, mobile, and server-side development. Dart is designed to be easy to learn, with a simple syntax and support for modern programming concepts such as classes, interfaces, and generics. Dart includes a rich set of libraries and tools for building web and mobile apps, including the Flutter UI toolkit. Dart supports both JIT, just-in-time, and AOD, ahead-of-time, compilation, making it flexible and efficient. Dart has a strong type system that can help catch errors at compile time, improving the reliability and quality of code. Overall, Flutter and Dart are powerful technologies that are well-suited for developing mobile apps and other types of applications. Flutter provides a rich set of pre-built UI widgets and tools that enable developers to create beautiful and responsive user interfaces quickly and easily, while Dart is designed to be easy to learn and includes a rich set of libraries and tools for building web and mobile apps. Both technologies are developed by Google and have growing communities of developers.